I am in Orlando. Finally made it in, and I had to stop and get some Starbies. I got a double espresso. I do decaf. Y'all know I can't have caffeine. Over ice and 10 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Don't judge me. You know I need my 10 pumps. I like it sweet. I'm a sweet queen. And then I stopped at Walgreens and got a vanilla protein shake to put in it. That's all I had. I'm not a vanilla girly, but you know, I would prefer caramel. And I'm just gonna pour it in. I bet it ain't as good as my iced coffees that I make. I guarantee you it's not. Oh, but that is satisfying. Look at that. That is gorgina. I didn't get to have my coffee this morning because I didn't want to have to take like 10 potty breaks, you know, before and when I'm on the airplane. Nobody wants to use the bathroom on the airplane. I don't want to be that person, you know. Mixy mix, babes. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's not stirred good enough, but regardless, we're gonna take a taste test. Ooh, it's actually really good. It ain't got nothing on mine, but it'll do the trick. Anyway, you're gonna have to ignore the spray tan. The makeup, it'll put it all together. We do look a little crazy right now. My hands still look a little crazy, but I'm telling you right now, they're still better than last time. I was messed up the last time. Okay, Orlando. I'll see you later. Bye.